Hey, what's up YouTube? This is my 2019 F150. I got the 3.5 liter EcoBoost. I just got done putting MBRP 4-inch single outlet exhaust on my truck. I got the aluminized system, saved me a couple of bucks. I put 3 coats of high temperature paint on it, hoping that'll help keep the rust down. You can see the muffler there. It's a pretty big muffler. Helps keep the sound down, I guess. It sounds really good. It's pretty deep. Honestly, there is some noise inside the cabin, especially if you're accelerating hard, but you know, at 65 with cruise control on, with the radio and air conditioning on, you wouldn't even notice. I mean, I don't even know that you'd exactly call it drone. There is some noise in the cabin, but it's really not annoying and it's not that loud. So so far I'm good, because I don't like drone and I don't like super loud exhaust. This one sounds really good. I'm gonna give you a couple revs here, let me know what you think. Alright, there you go. 2019 F150 3.5 liter EcoBoost with the MBRP 4-inch exhaust. Alright, thanks.